Sensibility and practicality define the 2010 Ford Shelby GT500. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this car stands out from the crowd, boasting a diverse range of features and remarkable value. Ford made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features a standard transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include remote keyless entry, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, and leather upholstery. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.